Exploring the green, understanding Arboretum assembly. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that combines nature with community, Arboretum assembly. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone passionate about the environment and gatherings, this video will shed light on the meaning and significance of this term. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. An arboretum is essentially a botanical garden dedicated specifically to trees. It's a living collection of different species of trees and sometimes shrubs, designed for scientific, educational, and aesthetic purposes. Arboretums play a crucial role in conserving rare and endangered tree species, offering a sanctuary for biodiversity and a laboratory for learning and research. When we talk about an arboretum, we're stepping into a world where nature's giants are preserved, studied, and admired. Moving on to assembly. This term often refers to a group of people gathered together for a specific purpose. It could be for making decisions, sharing information, or celebrating events. Assembly implies organization, purpose, and collective action. It's about community, collaboration, and coming together to achieve a common goal or to share common interests. Combining the two, Arboretum assembly, can be interpreted in a few ways. It might refer to a gathering of people in an arboretum, perhaps for educational tours, conservation efforts, or community events focused on appreciating and learning about trees. Alternatively, it could symbolize a meeting of minds passionate about botany, ecology, and the environment, using the arboretum as a backdrop for discussion and collaboration. For English language learners, the phrase, Arboretum assembly, is a beautiful example of how English can combine words to create new, nuanced meanings. It illustrates the importance of context in understanding and using language effectively. Recognizing the roots and connotations of words like arboretum and assembly can enhance vocabulary and comprehension, especially in specialized or thematic areas. We hope this exploration of Arboretum assembly has been enlightening and enjoyable. English is a rich and dynamic language that offers endless possibilities for learning and creativity. Whether you're strolling through an arboretum or participating in an assembly, remember that every word and phrase opens the door to deeper understanding and connection. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!